Have you guys ever wondered why Pakistan's replica fakes industry in sneakers category is flourishing at the moment? The answer to that question is not that simple, actually. To understand that, let's start with an example. You may have seen hundreds of pages on TikTok, Facebook, and Instagram selling fakes and replicas of international brands in footwear category. The answer to that question in the most precise and the most brief manner is China's manufacturing powerhouse. Let's break it down to understand it more better way. Let's start with the point number 1, which is China's most advanced manufacturing ecosystem. Chinese factories have decades of experience in producing finished or finalized products for the brands like Reebok, Puma, New Balance, LV, Gucci, Balenciaga, New Balance, Puma, Reebok. You just name the brand and it's there. They have mastered this skill in sourcing the material, manufacturing it, even manufacturing the machines who manufacture the finalized product. The skill set, the labor, the technical staff, they have got it everything because the brands itself taught them, and over the years they have learned it very keenly, very precisely, and very acutely. Second point is demand drives supply. Markets like Pakistan, where affordability trumps brand loyalty, replicas thrive. Chinese manufacturers are actually very clever. They are witty. They understand and they study the trends of the market where they are focused to deliver their products. They tweak with the logos, with the design to avoid the legal heat they may face in the future. Hence, the premium look demand can be meet up. So that's how they work. Let's talk about on the third point, which is a little bit controversial. That is weak IP enforcement. China's lax enforcement on IP means intellectual property, which helps their local vendors, their local suppliers, or their local factories to flourish as a replica market, just like a bloomed flower. They also help them under the table. That's a controversial topic, but that's how it is. That's how the market runs. There is a very famous proverb in Urdu which translates as that elephant has two kinds of teeth. One is to show off and one is for eating. It is exactly like that. The second perspective of the story is also regarding Pakistan. Pakistan's porous borders and minimal checkpoints, minimal checking make it very easy to flow the replica products into the market. So that's how both perspectives are different and both are controversial. Profit over ethics. That's the fourth controversial point we are going to discuss in this video. For Chinese suppliers, for Chinese vendors, for Chinese manufacturers, it's pure economics. If you want to see the purest, most form of economics being applied into any country, just go and visit China. I have a lot of friends in China and they may will watch this video as well. Hello. Anyways, why sell one pair of Skechers at 100 US dollar when you can sell 100 pairs of replica Skechers at 20 US dollar? Making sense na? Let's talk about this thing in Pakistan's perspective. Middlemen in Pakistan prioritize its profit margins while giving premium copy, premium quality to the people of Pakistan. So, next time, if you spot a too good to be true deal on any branded shoes, just remember the hidden supply chain behind it, which is explained in this video. If you want to have more deep dives, like and share and comment below.